Hey.
Fuck are you doing, man?
I can't do shit right, I can't learn my lesson. I can't do shit right, take any new lessons. Illness and welfare from my adolescence. My friends.
The main man, the woods dweller, the innovator. Tomato soup in a world cold as refrigerator.
Oh, okay.
Rhymes out your ass, time about your whack. I'm about to snap a gentleman, but never gentle bars. I got mental scars, I see some shit. I need to spit. Siamese the grip, they play my track and bring it back.
And here he is. I believe you're already familiar with my colleague, Mr. Kowalski. And I'm sure you can see
Jesus.
speakers on the wall. And the envelope on the desk. Ignore the envelope. Listen to
Okay, you're just gonna back out of the fucking street? It's a street, dude. What are you doing?
I wanna be free.
Okay. In the intersection, fucking go forward. To let you go. Or straightening out. Fucking horn.
That you can't fucking hang. Kids said my name's Sully, and you're a stupid fuck. But if you want a party, I'm getting in the back. Sully rosin up your boat, by your fiddle hat. Shit's going down in Boston, and the devil deals the cards. You could win all on got a pack of Mount Rose. But if you lose, the devil gets yourself.
What is fancy coffee? What are you? Where are you turning left? What are you doing?
California dreaming, I get head on California's king. She swallowed all my semen. I was garbage, I was bleeding. No regard, you saw me grieving. Okay, now the table's turned.
Are you kidding me?
I got even. The devil, the liar, one hell of a guy. If they win so quick, I do real to do fire. I'm in Beverly Hills, all I'm better than pills. Borrow my back, I go back to the city. They can keep like a fucking somebody get yelled at.
Desert-loving film, there's such a yearning for water in this movie. For all the sand you have, it's really about water. The sacred waters that are yearning for green meadows and the blue water of life. You filmed the desert to resemble an ocean, a sea.
Good parking job, dude. Yeah. A couple there. That's a spot, dude. Okay, what are you doing? Vermont. Are you going in the garage? There we go. Proud of you. Hey, wait a minute, dude. Stop. Yeah, yeah. Hell yeah. Dude. You're gonna cause an accident. Another one.
Just in the dark up in Penetration Park and I'm in Boston. I'm a shaking arm and
Oh my God.
dirty storefront shorts and I'm in pride.
Jesus.
But I never been.
You got run over by a house.
Well, at least she used to be. She grew up Mormon. Oh, watch out for this.
Okay.
You're allowed in this lane if you're turning.
Correct. What are you fucking doing?
Then they hit the brakes.
Okay.
He was writing all the time and like always working on his stage stuff. Yeah, he practices it. He's not as.
I was gonna say, like, you see.
Okay. We just gonna.
Every show he does, I think, is
What
this
the hell?
is the same.
Exact same, yeah.
You know, like it's a formula that he does. Where I think like Chappelle is more like a off the.
Oh my god. Fucking figure it out, guys.